Hi, welcome to our channel. After a while, we are finally in our studio and we are continuing to discuss in person about most important topics from fiscal world. Tijana Milovic, our account manager, is in our studio with me today. Welcome, Tijana.
Thank you for inviting me.
So far, we were talking about general aspects of fiscalization in Romania and we mentioned certification process. However, we didn't explain which devices have to go through certification process. So can you tell us for the beginning something more about that?
That is correct. We have mentioned the certification process in Romania, also the complexity of it. We have recognized it as one of the most complex processes in the fiscal countries we've faced so far. Also, we have mentioned the certification includes certification of the complete solution, meaning that the POS application together with integrated printer and the customer display needs to go through the whole process of testing. At the moment, when we had our last video, we have not mentioned that the certification of the fiscal vending machine is needed because this was still not in plan. But by the time it was announced and it's certain that will happen. At this moment we know that fiscal vending machines certification will be needed, but this grace period is extended in practice until 31st December 2020. The deadline is impossible to reach and why is extended for several reasons, because at this moment there is no commercial vending machine that can go through this process. At this time, fiscal rules that describes how to implement a fiscal solution for these devices are not yet published, and because of this reason, no fiscal certification for vending machines can be done now.
I understand. As this is a new information, can you please tell to our listeners what are the steps that manufacturers of vending machines need to pass in order to obtain certification?
For their realization and implementation, it is necessary to complete the following mandatory and time-consuming steps, which are approval for the government decision of the technical and functional specification of this cash register, and the construction of the prototypes by the manufacturer, then the testing of the prototypes at the National Institute of the Research Development Informatics, as an authorization by the Ministry of the Public and Finance. Also, there were some discussions regarding responsibility chain for doing a technical certification. For now, it's still not defined if certification will have to be done for the entire vending machine or only for the ECR inside the vending machine together with the vending controller.
How Fiscal Solutions team can assist in this still undefined process?
Fiscal Solutions team is regularly monitoring all the changes in all the countries where we presented, also in Romania. Like you can see from our last time, there were some updates and we were informed about it, and also the purpose of our meeting today is to inform them as well. Besides that, I would like to point out that Fiscal Solutions team has a partner in Romania, which means that if we are not physically present there, or we have like our extended hand who is informing us about and keeping us in the loop regarding all the changes in the fiscalization world in Romania. Also, we can support them even during to get compliance and also during the process of certification.
Great. Thank you, Tijana, very much for being my guest today and for all provided valuable information.
It was my pleasure and hope I will be here again.
You will, I'm sure. Thank you all for being with us today. If you find this video interesting and valuable, feel free to like, share and subscribe. And of course, if you have any question for Tijana, for Fiscal Solutions team, or you would like that we address some specific interesting new topics in our upcoming videos, feel free to leave your comment down below. That is all for today. Thank you once again. Bye.